Welcome to Becodewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Navbar using Bootstrap. Using Bootstrap, we are going to make a Navbar. So this is the website of Bootstrap. This is official website of Bootstrap. So I'll scroll down and I'll copy this CDN and I'll go to my VS Code. Here I'll make my an HTML file and I'll write the basic structure of my HTML file. I'll write the title Bootstrap Navbar and I'll paste my that CDN. So I'll view in Bootstrap. So now after pasting it, I'll go to the docs and I'll scroll down and in component, here you can see it, in component you will see here Navbar. Click on that. When we click on Navbar, here is the design of the Navbar which I have shown, and this is the code of the Navbar menu. Here also a Navbar is there with different style. If you scroll down, you'll get a different type of Navbars using Bootstrap. So keep scrolling, you will see a different type of Navbars. Here is the drop down menu also is there. So if you will scroll, you will see different type of navbar. I am going to use a navbar using this Bootstrap. So I'll use this drop down navbar menu. I'll copy this link and I'll go to my VS Code and I'll paste it here and I'll save it. Then I'll go with live server and I see the output. See, here is the output of our navbar, and here also a drop down list, and here is the search bar, and it is fully responsive. See, it is not working. When I am clicking, it is not showing the navbar because I have not linked my JS file. Again, I'll go to the home page and I'll copy this JS file and I'll copy. After copying, I'll paste here in head tag and I'll save it. And now I'll go to the my navbar and I'll click. See, it's working. And I'm clicking, it is showing drop down list also. When I go for responsive, it is when I click, it is showing the navbar links. See, before it was not working because we have not linked our JS file. So that's why that time when I was clicking, it was not showing the navbar links. Now it is showing because I linked my JS file. See, and it is fully responsive of for all devices. See, and here is the our fully code. So this how we can make our navbar using Bootstrap. So hope you guys like the video. subscribe the channel. Don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.